Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disconnect earphone to your Infinix. So guys, you want to guys for or disconnect your earphones to your phone, so guys you can disconnect it. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect earphone to our Infinix phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect it. After that guys, you can see guys your more connection settings. So guys, tap here, right click on your Bluetooth setting. So you can see guys, we have connected this earphone and guys you want to disconnect. So guys, how can we disconnect? So as you can see this right side icon guys. So I tap here, then guys you can see your disconnect option. So as you want to disconnect, so guys we will click on disconnect. Yes, we want to disconnect. Then guys you can see this red light and guys we will load it. Mean guys it has disconnected to your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earphone to our Infinix phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.